Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. So it's my birthday weekend and I'm about to go get my hair done. I did my nails. Oops. I did my nails. And they're looking cute. Let me take these off. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys how much my hair grew. I'm gonna insert a picture of what my hair looked like last year, like right here. But I need to hurry. It's 11 o'clock. My appointment's in 30 minutes. I'm just putting some sunscreen. Oops. So I wasn't liking my nails at first. Oops. Not because the girl didn't do a good job, but because I don't normally get bright colors, so it was like I was just like so I need to put some fragrance. So you know those girls that do like, oh, and my fragrance for today. So this is my fragrance for today, the Coco Chanel. And then I don't know if anyone might find this weird, but I go over like all over my body with a Bath and Body Works. Ooh, I already put deodorant on. Let me tell you guys my business. But I'm gonna go rush. I need to lotion my legs. And yeah, oh, let me show you the outfit. So I'm just wearing, my mirror is dirty. I'm just wearing these shorts from Shein that I wore on my Miami trip. If you haven't watched my Miami vlog, go watch it. And this shirt I got from Forever 21. And I'm just gonna put some slippers on. So see you at my hair appointment. I need to give it all. Oh my god, I love it! I love it! I'm gonna put her Instagram on the screen, and she even did this little curly thing. I'm like, ah! I hope no one's seeing me, but guys, I'm finally in the birthday mood. I don't know if I showed you guys my nails, but this is my nails. Yeah, I'm like in the birthday spirit now. I'm gonna go into Forever 21 to see if I can find something to wear. And my birthday plans got cancelled because my apartment complex closed the pool. So what I was gonna do with my family, I can't do. But I'm going to hang out with my coworkers tonight and turn up. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little raunchy for La Cantera, but it's my birthday. I don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna go in there. I might go to Bath and Body Works because I want a few candles for my apartment. But if it's, I think it's kind of far. I'm not in the mood, but I'll see you guys whenever I get back. Hey guys, so it's my birthday eve. It's Sunday, July 25th. We're just doing some moving stuff, and my family should be coming to see the apartment today. And I'm gonna do some shopping, but I don't like really vlogging in public. But yeah, but we're just getting Starbucks, and I did make a Target order, a drive up order that I'm gonna go pick up. But yeah, last night it's not what I wanted it to be, but it was fun. So you will see that because I did partially forget that I was vlogging. So yeah. So I just had to like do some, you know, add some little clips from when we went out. But I had fun though. It was really fun. I never laughed so much yet. But yeah, so I just had Starbucks. I'm about to get a drink. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get to the apartment. Hey guys, as you can see, we made it. I'm trying to fix the lighting. Oops. But we made it. 5 minutes after we got here, the mattress got delivered. So yeah, this is the mattress. It looks really small for some reason. Look, that one took up like most of it. But yeah, it got delivered. I just put the mattress cover on from Target. Excuse me. And I also, oh, you guys like this color on me? I'm loving it. So yeah, got some stuff from Target. I'm gonna do a little mini haul. Let me prop you guys up. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me put some cushion in it. Perfect. So I got like a baking dish set. Like casseroles. I do put chicken in the oven very frequently. I got just this bathroom set. I don't really like this, to be honest, but it's gonna work for now. I got a soap dispenser that I'm gonna actually keep here in the kitchen. Excuse me. And then, oh, this color is perfect. I got this waffle shower curtain, but it doesn't come with the rings, so I have to get that. I did order it, but they were out of stock. So, and I ordered it again, and it still was out of stock, so yeah. And then I got a Brita. Ooh. You know, because you know Texas has hard water. And I got a shower curtain liner. Oh shit, I didn't realize how heavy duty this paper towel holder is. But I like it. Babe, look. It's like, it's probably 5 pounds. It's really sturdy. I like it. And then I got some oven mitts to match the towels. Let me see. I don't remember where I put them. They're in the pantry. Yeah, they match perfectly. Yeah. And the next thing I got was this plunger. I wanted it to be black, but honestly it's just gonna have to do because it's just a plunger. But yeah, so I'm gonna pack away. I'm gonna wash my towels, and I'm gonna, once I'm done like packing away stuff, I'm gonna go to Ross to see if I can find like a bed sheet and see if they have any bar stools. And we're kind of hungry, so I'm gonna get something to eat too. But yeah, so I'm just gonna prop you guys up and speed it up. Yeah, guys, I love this hairstyle, and I can see my face getting a little smaller. Yeah, we're just a girl and a glow, period. And I'm looking for a bed sheet. Just a simple one. I'm trying to see how much this one costs. This one is $40. This how it looks. Oh no. Let me see if I see any other ones. Oh, that one's $28. Oh, that's just a comforter. I'm gonna keep this one and then look if I see any others, because I'm not. Oh, this is not even a full set. Let me see. I don't have much bed sheets, it seems. I feel like I'll have to. I'm not seeing anything else. Yeah, because this only has like the comforter and the pillows. It doesn't have like a fitted sheet. I don't think I'm gonna get this, honestly. I'm just gonna put it up there. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out. So guys, I'm back. I went to Ross and hold on, let me get out my mango. I went to Ross and Target. Let me do Target Ross first because I didn't get a lot. So I got like, what are these called? Cupboard liners for the cupboards and the drawers. I got a candle. And I'm gonna light this right now. It's called Sandalwood by Bloom and Prosper. Babe, tell me if you like this smell. Yeah, this smells really good. I got a lighter because I'm about to light it soon. What else did I get? I got a spatula because the one I got at IKEA like this. And I also got some because the one I got from IKEA is just this. So I needed that, so I got those. I got some reusable straws, trying to help save the planet. And I got 2 extensions. I got this kind. And oh Jesus. And then I got this kind, just you know, the little rope one. And from Target, I got some air freshener plugins. I got the Febreze one. And I got the thing to actually plug it into. I got 2 of these because it's 2 in a pack. Cute. I got dishwasher pads, pods. I got this, I think. Yeah, I got this because my mom didn't get me any. And I got these. And I got some makeup wipes because I don't have any. And then I got just the sheet set. It's the Room Essentials Jersey sheet set. It just comes with the fat sheet, the fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. And I'm gonna order, I have 4 pillows, but I'm gonna order 2 silk pillowcases on Amazon. Because I heard that it helps with your skin and your hair and stuff. Yeah, and then I got this blanket. It kind of matches like my bed. But yeah, I love this. This is so cute. And I think that's all I got. Yeah. So I'm just gonna try and organize a little bit because we're kind of hungry, so we need to get going. But yeah, that's all we got. But yeah, so I'm not gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the video tomorrow on my birthday, and then, you know, stay tuned for more videos. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's my birthday. Wish me happy birthday in the comments. Wow, I'm surprised the thing not beeping. But so today is Monday, July 26th. I went to the gym, I went to work, and now me and V are gonna get food at this steakhouse. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just taking you guys along with me.